Hello everyone, I am Vishal Singh from Engineer Today, and today we are going to study about introduction to CAM mechanism. That what is CAM, what is the mechanism of CAM, why it is used, its applications, and what are the three elements that are in CAM mechanism, and even the classification of followers in the CAM mechanism. So first thing, we'll study about the CAM mechanism. So in CAM mechanism there are three elements that are is the first one is the CAM, and the second one is the follower, and the third one is frame. So these are three elements of the CAM mechanism, and the diagram of the CAM mechanism is simple. Just this is the this is the frame, this is the follower, and this is the CAM. So what this is the frame, this is the follower, and this is the CAM. So very easy, this is the frame that provide support to the follower, and this is the follower, and this is the CAM which is attached to the follower. So first, what is the CAM? CAM is the rotating or reciprocating element which provide reciprocating or oscillating motion to the other element which are attached with it, known as follower. The CAM and follower have a line contact or point contact, that is this one, and therefore it constitutes a higher pair. So CAM is the rotating or reciprocating body which provide the which give a motion to the follower or follower. So it is for the reciprocating, transmitting the motion to the another things or object. So its application, the application of CAM. The application of CAM is widely used in the automobile engine for operating the inlet valve and the exhaust valve of IC engine, while in the paper cutting and shoe making machine. And even in the aircraft. So guys, these are the applications that I mentioned about the CAM in the real life, etc. There is the etc. So what happened, we will classify now the classification of the CAM. Classification of follower. This CAM is not classified, is classified on the basis of the follower. And now the classification of follower. There are three defined types on the basis of which we will classify the follower. That is, first one is There is first one is according to the surface contact. According to the surface contact, there is the first one is knife edge follower, second one is the roller follower, third one is the flat faced follower, and the fourth one is spherical follower. Now on the basis of according to the type of motion of follower, that is reciprocating follower and the rotatory or rotating follower. And now according to the pattern of motion of follower, radial follower, offset follower. Now we'll draw the knife edge follower. So what is the knife edge follower? Knife edge follower is the follower with the knife edge point contact with the cam. So this is the first cam that we introduced, and there is a disadvantage with this follower, with this mechanism, because when the cam rotates in the high speed or in delay, then the late rotating, then the lining is formed in the cam due to the sharp edge of the knife. So, and also the thrust is produced between the follower and the frame. So we designed the roller follower where the knife edge is connected to the roller and then the cam. Here we can reduce that lining that produced by the knife edges on, but there is a thrust produced, again same problem between the follower and the frame. And even in this, the sliding is the problem that we face, because both is the rotating part. So at the high speed there is a sliding. And then we design the flat faced follower. That is that this is the flat faced follower where we make the follower and in a flat surface, so we can reduce the sliding and lining. So here only the problem is the thrust that is made by this follower mechanism. Now for this problem we have to design next. So the next mechanism or classification of follower is spherical follower. That is this. In spherical follower, this is the follower and this is the frame and this is the cam, where there is a spherical we attach to the end of the flat follower. So this is the latest and this is the best cam mechanism for the efficiency. And these are the types on the basis of the according of surface of contact. Now according to the types of motion of follower, reciprocating follower, rotating follower. Reciprocating follower is perpendicular to the axis of the cam, means this is the axis of the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So the axis of the perpendicular to the follower. So this is there is the follower, then it instantly continuously producing the giving the force to the cam. So there is no sliding or there is no lining formed, as it is the not a sharp edges. So this is the reciprocating follower. And now the rotating follower, the rotating follower. Okay, the rotating follower is similar, just rotating and the last of the end of the follower. It is basic. This diagram is on the base of axis of the follower. We studied that according to the path of the motion of follower, radial follower or offset follower. The radial follower is the axis of the follower and the cam is need to be same. Then this is the axis of the cam and axis of the follower should be maintained, should be in the same line. So this is called the radial follower. And this is the offset follower, in which the lining is not same, the axis of the follower is not same with the axis of the cam. So This is the offset, and the distance between this offset. So today we studied about the cam mechanism, classification of the cam, elements that are used in the cam mechanism, its applications. So if you like this video, please like our video and do subscribe. Thank you for being watching the engineers today. If there is any problem, you can also comment on our video. We'll do the best at the next. Thank you.